Good morning students. Today we are going to start new lesson, a Christmas carol. Before starting the lesson we should know what is the Christmas carol, because in our India we celebrate so many Christmas, so many what we can say festivals also. We also involve in Christmas, but actually we don't belong to Christianity, so we don't have much idea about Christmas. So first of all we should know the meaning of carol. Just like in Gokul Ashtami we celebrate Gokul Ashtami, Krishna's birthday, each and everything. So like this we also sing bhajans and all this. So in Christmas Christian people used to sing Christmas song, that is called carol. Okay, now we are going to start here one of the story. The story tells us about the person, old person, whose name is Scrooge. So Scrooge is old person, he is very wealthy man, also he is very miser. Miser means the person who does not want to spend money on anything. That's why he didn't marry, because he thinks that he has to spend money, he has to support to his wife, and that is why he didn't marry, he did not marry. He is very hardworking, though he is old person, but right from his young age he is very hardworking. And due to hoarding money by hardworking, he become very rich person. That's why people used to ask him money, and he became then money lender also. Money lender, the person who used to give the money to other people for a particular time, and after that people used to give them back. So money lender means the person who used to give money to the others. And what was his hobby and what he loves to do? He loves to count his own money, because he was hardworking. He continuously hoarding money. Hoarding means collecting money by the hardworking, not by the other ways. But he used to count his own money continuously whenever he was getting time. He had no friends. It is very simple. If you are not ready to mix with others, because you have to spend the money, because you have to spend time, and here Scrooge was hardworking. He was not ready to spend money and spend time. That's why he was friendless, means he had no friends. Here simply the features of the Scrooge of his natures are given. Spend very less money, as I have already told you that as he is miser, कंजूस होने के वजह से he was spending very less money, just to spend money for the food and clothes. That's it. He was not ready to spend much money for their family. Actually he had not family, but for the friends and others, and he was very old person. Now here the story starts. We have seen now here the features and the nature of Scrooge, but now we are moving towards the lesson. Here he was very energetic person. He was always busy in his working, and as soon as Christmas started coming nearby, so every person used to wish him Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, but he was not ready to wish a Christmas to the people also. He was saying what a rubbish, just like exclamation or a sudden expression he was showing on his face. So what happens? Scrooge was, though he was very hardworking, he was the person accepted by the others, because others were spending money, spending time, enjoying, but he was not ready to spend anything else. So whosoever going to cross, they were wishing him Merry Christmas like this, but he was not ready at all. And he used to muttering himself. Muttering means, see, I have given you here money, meaning of the grumbled. He was complaining, why these rubbish people wishing me. Muttering, whisper means speaking in low sound and in complaining way. Here also I have given you the meaning of mutter. Mutter means the whisper, making a low sound, speaking, but it should not be echoed to the other people. And already I have told you meaning of money lender, the person who gives money to others for the use. So here one day what happened, he was just walking for his work and for his office. So at the day of Christmas or before day of Christmas, his clerk where he was working, there was a clerk, name is Cratchit. His name was Cratchit. So he asked him for the leave before his timing. He asked to the Scrooge that just let me go before my exact time of the dispersal. So at that time he was not ready to give him leave before some times, and what was happening, he was just, and sometimes suppose he is giving him a leave, so he was giving just unwillingly, means against of his mind, against of his opinion. Why should we go early, whereas it is the time of earning a money, it is the time where we can make lot of money, it is the time we should not close the shop and we should earn so much money. He was nature of in this way. He was thinking that we should not stop, we should not close our shops, rather we should spend much time and earn much money. And one day what happened, he was just sleeping, an old man was sleeping in his house. So he find in his dream a spirit of Christmas, or simply we can say the Jesus had come. That spirit of Christmas is called here. So he came in his before him and asked to Scrooge to follow me. So now here the spirit and Scrooge, they went at a particular place, at a particular land which was full of mud. Marshy word is given there. Marshy means, see, I have given the meaning, boggy, swampy and muddy, which is full of mud. There we cannot keep our foot properly, and we find that each and every place the land is full of mud, and it was very thicker with the mist also. Okay, means unpleasant way, an unpleasant place, we can say in a simple word. So their spirit of Christmas and Scrooge went. Now what happened? There you see in the lesson is given that Scrooge got up and started following to the old man, means the Christmas, and they went on a journey as if traveling through the clouds. They started following the way, means here we can get the reference that they were going to the place which is totally unpleasant and it is beyond the earth. Okay, and soon they came to a marshy place which was thick with mist, and Scrooge started watching this very closely. There they find Scrooge could make out of many people. He crossed, all of whom they recognized as having been dead for a long time. There Scrooge saw there were so many people who were died before a long time, and they were weighed down. Weighed down means, here the meaning I have given, weighed down means overburden, weighed down by heavy chains. They were crying for help. So this scene made crowds very unhappy, because it was unpleasant place, it was unpleasant scene also. Their old man started watching that how these people are weighed down, means overburdened, because they were tied with the big and iron and heavy chains, and why they are crying for the help. So here Christmas, spirit of Christmas told him, Scrooge, see, there you will be. After some time, there you will be. Why they are here? Because they did not spend their time and money for a single thing which was very important for a human being, but they didn't do anything. Now there you are, Scrooge. The spirit of Christmas began. He started talking to him. They were once like you, hard-hearted and merciless. These people had not any kind of mercy for others, for God or for human being or for an animal. Okay, and they were just like hard-hearted like you. They were not interested at all in human thing, in human being also. So there you will be like this. So now old person or old Scrooge started shivering. What is happening? Why it is here? Why this old spirit of Christmas brought me here? Because he was looking like in a ghost, okay, but he was a spirit of Christmas. And there we can see, let's go little farther. And again Christmas told him, the spirit of Christmas told him, let's go, Scrooge, we will go again farther and we will see something surprising for you. And there perhaps can understand better. The spirit of Christmas said again here, nor far away they came to a graveyard directly. There were many tombstones there. One of them was a newly dug one with the word Scrooge written on it. And directly what happened? Scrooge followed to the spirit of Christmas, and spirit of Christmas means the Jesus brought him in the graveyard directly. Means here now we see two things are given, two places are given. First place which was crossing by the cloud, where the Jesus and old Scrooge was crossing. So this place was the hell. Okay, and here they came, they reported, they reached to the place which was graveyard, where the dead person is buried. Okay, so in Christianity people used to bury to the dead one. So he saw that Scrooge saw there one of the newly tombstone was made, and there was written Scrooge. See, tombstone means the stone, okay, over the in the graveyard where it is erected, okay, carved, जिसे हम कहते हैं carved with the person's name, that Scrooge. Okay, there is all the information used to written. So Christmas or spirit of Christmas showed him that one of the tombstone, that see, Scrooge, here your tombstone is written. So here that Scrooge shocked and he started shivering. He started feeling unhappy that what is seen by me, what is before me. So here he just shocked and he stopped. Now again Jesus Christmas told him, you will be here, means there you are. See, your name is written, and there is no flower on your tombstone. Why? Because you were totally miser throughout your life. You did not spend money, you did not spend time, you did not make merry happily anything, and you did not have any kind of friend because of your miserness, because of your hard-heartedness, okay, because of your merciless nature. So here, listen Scrooge, just give up. छोड़ दो जो कुछ भी आपने अभी तक के किया, you just leave it, start involving into the others happiness, start involving spending in money, start being a human, kind human. Okay, and here he told him, and now Scrooge started shaking hand of Jesus. No, Jesus, I will not be in like this way. I will start feeling happy. I will leave my miserness. I will start giving much happiness, money, food, anything, whatever, which is very important for a human being. And there he started shaking the hand of Jesus, which was totally wrinkled hand, it's called, because Jesus spirit of Christmas is also shown here old. Okay, see in the picture is totally clearly given, so you can get the idea. And he shook his hand and started repenting. Repenting means to feel very sorry, or to he started what we can say, giving an explanation that I will not do anything wrong from here again. So at that time he came to on his place, and he was just on his bedpost. Word is given. Bedpost means where he was lied down, where he was slept, and when he woke up at that time, he was full of sweating. His body totally was chilled, full of sweating, and he remembered that what was happened in his dream, what he saw. He started remembering. At that time he just woke up, he completed his all these things. He went to the market, he purchased one turkey. It is one of the kind of bird, okay, and which is very big. So he purchased that turkey bird, and he delivered by the post person on the way of his clerk Cratchit, okay, because Cratchit was very eager to celebrate a Christmas carol, okay, and Christmas also. So he gave him one of the kind of gift he purchased, and he gave by the post office, but he did not mention his name. Scrooge did not mention his name because he wanted to involve Cratchit's happiness. That's why he did not mention his name. And he started following food stores at that time. Wherever he was watching small boys, beggar people, whosoever crossing, so he started giving them food also. You just see in the lesson is given, so interesting lesson it is, and he started giving, he started involving, and in this way when he came back to his place, at that time he understood what is the feeling of giving happiness to the someone. Here in this lesson, just we have to learn that we should involve in others' happiness, though there should not be any importance that we should be very rich person, we should have a lot of money so that we can share with others. It is not compulsory, but as a human being we should be very kind for others, we should be very happy with others, and we should involve in all the surroundings happiness. Thank you.